Hello young moms. Confidence in motherhood grows with knowledge. Today, we will build that confidence by learning how to properly assemble and use a manual breast pump. Start by washing your hands and cleaning the pump parts. Place the parts on a clean surface. Insert the silicone valve into the pump body. Ensure it fits tightly. Attach the breast shield securely to the front. Screw the bottle onto the bottom. Attach the handle at the top and test its motion. Your pump is assembled. Now, sit upright in a comfortable position. Relax your body. Stress can slow milk flow, so staying calm is important. Place the shield over your nipple carefully. Begin squeezing the handle slowly. Use gentle, steady pressure. Allow your body time to respond. Manual pumps give you complete control over suction. You decide the pace. This is helpful for young mothers balancing school, work, and home responsibilities. Breast milk supports healthy growth, brain development, and immune protection. Each time you pump, you are supporting your baby's future health. Trust your body. Trust yourself. You are stronger than you think.